Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use ElevenLabs for free. So first and foremost, you just have to go to any web browser and then type ElevenLabs. So you will see different ElevenLabs site right here, but I suggest you click the first or the second one. So this time I have to click the second one right here, ElevenLabs, tap this. Now it would take you directly to their homepage, and then of course you have to click sign up if you don't have an account yet. So tap on sign up, and then you can sign up using your Google account or your email address and your password. So you need to connect your Google account. If you want, for me the easiest is to just connect your Google account. But everything is up to you. You can also add email address here and then password and then sign up. Now, ElevenLabs will ask you some things so that things would be easier for you. So here, the first is you need to choose your theme. So light, dark. Now add your name right here, and then also you need to enter your birth date. Okay, your country or language. You can select below. If you want to change this one, then tap on next. Now you can choose from any of the option below. How did you hear about ElevenLabs, or you can skip this part. Now you can choose which one you want to use. So for example, the first one right here. And then after that, which one describes you the best. So you have to click or select from any of this. But actually you can skip this part if you want to. So I'll just show you what it looks like if you just continue. So let me tap on text to speech. And then we can now start. So for free, of course, you need to skip any of this plan right here. Tap on skip and it will take you directly to the ElevenLabs. Now this is what it looks like. You can now use the feature clone voice, text to speech, and so on. You can see different features on the left side. On the right side, you can see different type of voice. You can go to the library if you want, and then you can now generate a speech right here. Now you can also tap from any of the option below. There are lots of features that you can use here on ElevenLabs. So that's how easy it is to use ElevenLabs for free. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.